Discover how logs are split from old-school axe techniques to advanced chainsaw mills and bandsaws. See how one tool can slice, split, and prep logs in seconds, whether for firewood or wood plank. Not subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button. The simplest and easiest technique you can use is to split firewood with an axe. And with wood log splitter, you can save energy. With a more sophisticated engine, you will get speed and efficiency. Wooden boards with accurate size will expand the usage. You need different machines that support precision. You can do it with a chainsaw, but you have to focus and concentrate. It is not recommended for production. Sometimes, extreme work has to be done. By adding simple accessories such as rails, you can help reduce risks and make your work easier. This is a horizontal bandsaw mill in action, the go-to tool for slicing thick logs into perfect planks. The blade runs sideways, while the machine glides along the log for ultra-precise cuts. It's built for serious production, cutting wide boards with minimal waste thanks to its thin kerf. Great for hardwood or softwood, it handles large logs effortlessly. The log stays steady, no wrestling, no drama, just clean, even slabs every time. If you're into woodworking or sawmill tech, this setup is all about efficiency and accuracy. Now this is a vertical bandsaw mill, simple, versatile, and the blade runs upright, and the log moves manually into the cut. It gives the operator more control for creative shaping and irregular timber. While it's not built for bulk production, it's ideal for workshops, small-scale sawyers, or folks turning rough logs into usable boards. Plus, it's budget-friendly and space-saving. Whether cutting beams, planks, or specialty pieces, this mill gets the job done with precision and a whole lot of flexibility. Circular sawmills are powerhouses when it comes to cutting hardwood logs fast. With thicker blades, they're super durable and easy to maintain, but they waste more wood due to a thicker kerf and aren't as precise as bandsaws. Best for heavy-duty jobs, not for fine cuts. Want speed and strength? This saw is for you. Love cool machines and insane skills? Hit that subscribe button and don't miss a thing. You know what to do, smash it now. Then what is your comment with this one machine? Write your comment.